It's a great day everyone! For today's vlog, mag-unbox lang ako ng aking biniling dashcam para sa aming sasakyan. Ayan, inintay ko muna kasi mag-sale. Matagal ko nang gusto to but napakamahal niya. Each is $120 or about 7,000 pesos. Ngayon, nabili ko lang siya for $60 or about 3,500 pesos. Ayan, napakaganda nito since for safety na rin at maraming magugulong driver dito sa Amerika. As you can see, ayan, napakaganda ng screen which is 10.2 inches. 1080 yung resolution niya but pwede siya hanggang 4K. Napakaganda ng screen. And of course, may kasama na siyang charger. And yung backup camera, yung kanyang pang mounting, and of course, yung 64GB na memory card. So, ayan, naayos ko lang yung camera and nilagay ko na rin yung mounting niya. Pwede nga pala to sa mga Apple and of course Android user. Napakadali lang naman niyang i-connect. All you have to do is to reformat yung SD card na inyong in-insert and of course i-connect nyo lang sa Bluetooth. Yung charger pala nito is Type-C and madaling isaksak since same lang naman sa lighter ng inyong sasakyan. Ayan, nilagay ko na rin siya dun sa aking dash which is may kasama naman siyang double-sided na tape. Ayun, so far goods naman yung kanyang resolution. Pwede siyang i-share screen dun sa front and back camera and of course sa navigation.